Hi everyone, it's Heidi and it's time for unboxing for the month of April. This is our Young Living Essential Rewards order. So I thought I would share with you what we got, why we got it, that kind of stuff, and hopefully you will enjoy it. So first off, we got the 2 bottles of Super C Chewable, which usually I get the Super C tablets, but they were out at this time, so I went ahead and got the chewable. Take these every day, really good vitamin C supplement. Then I also got the Thieves hard lozenges. And so we take these occasionally when we're just feeling like we need to. And they also have cough drops too, but we just got the hard lozenges this time because I have the cough drops too in stock. So we needed to restock these. So these are the Thieves lozenges. And then another theme here is Thieves. So I've purchased the Thieves 15 milliliter bottle and then also the small Vitality Thieves oil, and these are just going to go back in our cupboard to restock. We've been using them a lot, and so this is always good to have on hand. And then the last thing is the bottles of Nicorette. So there's 4 20 some ounce bottles of Nicorette in there. And my husband is really good about taking it, and I sometimes forget. So those are restocking. We did get a bunch in the fall so that we didn't have to order during the winter, because that way they don't have a chance of freezing since we live in Ohio. And so now it's time to get stocked back up again and order them more regularly because we don't have to worry about freezing. And Nicorette is just a great supplement drink that we just take like an ounce or 2 every day, and very good antioxidant, really good for just all kinds of body systems, has tons of vitamins, minerals, and all kinds of vegetables, fruits and things like that, it would take you a lot to eat that many vegetables and fruits. So just like to have that on hand, and we use that just as a good maintenance thing. And then the free stuff that we got, which is just really amazing this time, and you'll see a little bit of a theme going throughout the free stuff that we got. So you ended up getting 4 free bottles of oil, the large bottles, and then I'll show you what's in this box. So the first one is Eucalyptus Radiata. That's this green bottle here. And this one is great for respiratory and sinus. It is in the Young Living blends of Raven, RC, and Thieves. So this one is really good to have on hand. And that one is a nice big bottle. Then the next one that we got for free is tea tree oil. This one is also great for sinus and lungs. It's also good for skin and gums and things like that. So you're seeing a theme here of respiratory and sinus type stuff that's being put in. And then lemon oil, just a great yummy oil to have. This is good for circulation, for mood, for mental clarity, to help you relax. You smell a lemon and you think, oh, it smells so good. So mental clarity, and then can help you feel good too when you smell lemon. It's also in many of the Young Living blends, mainly like Raven and Thieves, which are also good for respiratory and all that kind of stuff, circulation and that kind of thing. And then it's also in the Super C supplement. So that, and in other supplements too, but those are just the ones that I wrote down. And then clove oil. This is a nice big bottle too. This has been used around the world for thousands of years. Like, clove is just known for being so good for so many different things. Just a few of them would be anti-aging, good for throat, lung, and teeth. You look those up and see how that would work for you. It is in many of the Young Living blends, including Thieves. So those 3 that are in Thieves were 3 of the free oils this month. So Young Living is looking out for us. And then the last thing is in this cute little Young Living box, since it says Essential Rewards on it. I'm really excited about this. So this one is a really cool bottle, and this is for using for your Thieves Cleaner. This is a glass bottle, glass spray bottle. I probably should have tried it out. This is what's the insignia that's on the Thieves Cleaner. And so what you would do is just take either a half or a full capful of the Thieves Cleaner, put it in here, put some water in there, and then you can just clean your entire house for, I'm gonna have to figure out how to work this. You can clean your house for months with just that little bit of cleaner in there. So I hope this was helpful for you. We got a lot of free stuff. We ordered the stuff that we needed, and we just love Young Living and the way that they take care of their people and the way that their products worked so well because they are pure. So if you have any questions, let me know, like or comment, and I will check in with you guys next month. Bye.